Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Office Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Keeping your Microsoft Office suite updated ensures you have the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. So let's walk through this quick process together. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and allow your emails to load completely. This step is important because we'll be accessing the update options directly from within Outlook, which will then update all your Microsoft Office applications at once. Once your email has loaded and you're on the main Outlook screen, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Here you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on File. This menu serves as your gateway to account settings, preferences, and various administrative options within Outlook. After clicking File, a side panel will appear with several options listed vertically. Look for the option labeled Office Account and click on it. This section contains important information about your Microsoft Office installation, including user details and product information. It's also where you'll find the controls for managing updates across all your Office applications. Now, within the Office Account section, you'll see user information displayed along with your product information. Look carefully for a button or drop-down menu labeled Update Options. Once you've located it, click on Update Options to reveal the available choices. From the drop-down that appears, simply click on Update Now. This action will trigger the update process for all your Microsoft Office apps, including Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, provided updates are available. At this point, the update process will begin automatically. You'll likely see a progress indicator showing that Microsoft Office is checking for and downloading any available updates. All you have to do now is wait until the update process has finished. Depending on the size of the updates and your internet connection speed, this might take a few minutes, so be patient and let the process complete without interruption. Once the updates are installed, your Microsoft Office applications will be current with the latest features and security improvements, ensuring optimal performance across all your productivity tools. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.